Today I'm revealing the method Microsoft doesn't advertise, but is completely legal. First, let's be 100% clear. Microsoft isn't hiding anything shady. Windows 11 25 H2 officially launched September 30th, 2025, and ISO files are publicly available. The media creation tool is just their preferred method because it's simpler for average users. But for IT pros, VM builders, or clean install enthusiasts, direct ISO downloads give you more control. And yes, it's 100% legal when downloaded from official sources. First, let me show you how we can download it from Microsoft website, mainly for the beginners. Method number 1 is actually on Microsoft's own website. They just buried it. Here's how. Open your web browser and then type to search Download Windows 11 ISO. Click to open the first web page. Scroll down, ignore the big Download Now button for Media Creation Tool. Find the tiny link that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select your language and then click Confirm. Now click on 64-bit download and boom, direct ISO download starts. This gives you the exact same file Microsoft uses internally, no tool required. But what if I want to download the latest release, and that's 25H2? Remember, this is for power users who want the absolute latest 25H2 builds, even before Microsoft publishes them publicly. It's called UUP dump. UUP stands for Unified Update Platform, Microsoft's own delivery system. UUP dump doesn't host files, it pulls directly from Microsoft's Windows Update servers. Here's how. Open your web browser and then search updump.net. Select Windows 11 version 25 H2 beta. Move down to choose your architecture, x64 or ARM64. Select your language and then click Next. Here chooses the edition that you want to download. Like me, I would like to download Windows Pro. Click Next. Leave other things as it is, and then click Create Download Package. Open the downloaded file. Now drag it to the desktop for easy identification. Click to open this PC. Open Local Disk C. Right-click and choose New folder. Rename this as Windows 11. Drag our file into this folder. Next, extract this folder. Open this folder. Right-click on this to run the script. Here, type in ladder R and then press Enter. This will to download official Microsoft files and assembles a bootable. Only use UUPdump.net, not random Windows ISO download sites. Those often contain malware or pirated copies with backdoors. And please remember, this will take a lot of time depending on your internet and laptop or PC speed, so you have to be patient. So why skip the media creation tool? Pros of direct ISO. No forced latest cumulative update during install, perfect for virtual machines, VMware or VirtualBox. Create multi-edition USB drives with tools like Ventoy offline installations in restricted networks. But remember, this is slightly more technical for beginners. Media Creation Tool actually is easier for most home users. Truth is, Microsoft recommends their tool because 95% of users should use it, but the ISO option exists for a reason. After the download, press letter Q to exit. Open this PC. Local disk C. Open the Windows 11 folder. And boom! Here you can see the ISO has been downloaded. This is so amazing. Even you can just upgrade your system without losing any files if you don't know how. Just go and check the video form, the discretion below, and even how you can make a bootable USB drive for this ISO. So, did Microsoft hide this? Not really. They just prioritize simplicity over flexibility. But now, you know both options. Like if this saved you time, comment your preferred method, ISO or Media Creation Tool. Subscribe for more honest tech guides without the clickbait links to all tools, and Microsoft's official page are in description below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.